Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can mine Babydoge coin on your computer system. No need of investment. Only you need a good computer system, a good graphic cards in order to earn more Babydoge coin daily. As you know, Babydoge coin is one of the strongest community meme coin. Babydoge coin flipped Shiba Inu coin in holders, and soon we can see Babydoge coin will flip Shiba Inu coin in the price. This is not confirmed, but as you know, we all are the holders of Babydoge coin, and we believe Babydoge coin will make us millionaire and billionaire. I'm holding more than 20 billion Babydoge coin. You're holding Babydoge coin, so we all love this meme coin. So now make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more updates about Babydoge coin mining, cryptocurrencies, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. Don't forget to like our video, because if you like this video, YouTube will share this video with all users. So like this, I can grow my YouTube channel and I will upload useful video for you. So tell me in the comment section about the video and share this video with all your friends. How you can mine Babydoge coin on your computer system. Although Babydoge coin is a meme coin, one of the strongest meme coin that has 1.4 million holders. Even we are near to 1.5 million holders. So you can check the current price of Babydoge coin is 0.8 times zeros 28.29. In one day the price increased to 0.25%. The market cap is in coinmarketcap.com. The market cap is not written, but the daily volume is 5.7 million. It means the market cap should be more than 5 million. So you can check the volume increased 1.68%. So this token is on Ethereum network. Let me tell you, Babydoge coin is one of the strongest meme coin. In 2022, we can see Babydoge coin easily kill 2 zeros, 3 zeros. Although Binance will list Babydoge coin, KuCoin also listing Babydoge coin, but it takes time. Nowadays the market is in bad situation, so that's why the whole cryptocurrencies are falling down. The whole cryptocurrencies are down about 15%, 16% from its all-time high. So we don't need to worry, just hold your token. And now I am showing you how you can mine Babydoge coin on your computer system. No need of investment. Only you need a good computer system, a good graphic cards in order to earn, in order to get free Babydoge coin daily. You can check Babydoge coin has 1.4 million holders and we are near to 1.5 million. None of meme coins has that much holders. So if we check the holders, you can see the total supply, 43.92% of the total supply is in Burn wallet. And then you can check the holders. This is all the holders of Babydoge coin that holding about 3%, 1%, 0.3%, something like this. In this video, we will use Unmineable Miner. Let me tell you, Unmineable Miner is one of the trusted and one of the best mining platform where you can mine several cryptocurrencies, and you can check. Finally, Unmineable Miner added Babydoge coin with Binance Smart Chain network. Now it means you can mine Babydoge coin on your computer system. If you scroll down, you can check several cryptocurrencies where you can mine it on your computer system, as we have Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin, Doge Elon Musk. So this is all the cryptocurrencies where you can earn, where you can mine on your computer system. So finally Babydoge coin is added on Unmineable Miner. So that's why in this video we will use this platform, Unmineable Miner. And I will show you step by step how you can mine Babydoge coin. To start mining Babydoge coin on your computer system, we need to do 3 steps. First of all, you need to create a new folder with the name of Babydoge coin. Empty folder, you can check. This is my Babydoge coin folder. Once you create folder, and then go to menu, search about security windows, and then you will see this home page. In here, once you come in here, so simply go to virus and threat protection, simply click on it and then scroll down. Now click manage settings, again scroll down in here, exclusions, Microsoft Defender antivirus will not scan items that you have excluded items could contain threats that make your device vulnerable. So that's why we need to add our Babydoge coin. So simply click on add or remove exclusions. Now click on yes. In here simply click on add and exclusions. Now select folder. Now you need to add the folder that you have created. This is my Babydoge coin folder. Now select folder. So finally the Babydoge coin folder is added on exclusion. Now if I download Unmineable Miner setup, so the antivirus will not scan the item. The third step is to download the setup of Unmineable Miner. I will give the link in description. Simply click on the link and you will see this homepage. Scroll down. Simply right click on this download folder. Right click. Now save link as. You need to download the link on the folder that you have added on exclusion. So now select Babydoge coin and then click save. So the downloading will be start now. We need to wait for a while in order to complete the downloading. You can check in here. Once the downloading is completed, then unzip the file and then you can see Unmineable Miner setup. Simply click on the setup file to just start the mining, to just launch the Unmineable Miner setup. In here simply click on continue. Now select your mining hardware. If you have a good graphic card, a good computer system, so I recommend you to select GPU, graphic cards, because if you select this mining hardware, you will earn more Babydoge coin. If you are like me, your computer is like my computer that don't have a good graphic card, something like this, so simply select CPU. Even I don't recommend you to select CPU or to mine any cryptocurrency using your CPU. And then click on next. Now from here just select Babydoge coin. You can see Babydoge coin. Now simply paste the wallet address of Babydoge coin. You can see the screenshot as I copy my Babydoge coin trust wallet address, and now you can see this is my Babydoge coin wallet address. You can see the screenshot. Now simply click on start button. Now the mining will be started. We need to wait for a while in order to start the setup. So here you can see finally the mining is just started. My current hash rate is 11.51. So here you can see balance. I don't have any Babydoge coin. Lost 24-hour rewards. You can check in here. Your total paid will show you in here. Lost payment. Now payouts from. If you complete, once you complete 1 billion Babydoge coin, then you can withdraw your profit, withdraw your Babydoge coin to your wallet. So now if you want to check more status, simply click on stats, and here you will check your dashboard. You can find your dashboard. You can check everything. So this is your dashboard. In here you can see your wallet address, pending balance, payout now, view on Explorer. So there you can check your workers, your payments, referral code. Even you can invite your friends using your referral ID. This is your referral code. And then if you check in here, so each and everything you will find on your dashboard. So this is how you mine Babydoge coin. This is how you can earn free Babydoge coin on your computer system. I hope you understand this video. So this video just end up here. If you have any problem or question, feel free to ask me in the comment section and tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Will you mine Babydoge coin? Are you ready to just mine Babydoge coin using Unmineable Miner? And then smash the like button to a new all-time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So this video is just end up here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.